Monopoly Go for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna give you the basics of Monopoly Go and explain how to play it. So the whole idea of Monopoly Go is rolling. You see this multiplier at the top of your rows. This multiplies the rewards you get from tiles. The maximum multiplier depends on your current number of dice. So if you have 10 dice, the max is times 3. It increases the more dice you have, and it also increases the rewards that you get from landing on tiles, like I said. We have 3 types of tiles, as I would like to call them. We have the bad tiles, the neutral tiles, and the good tiles. So the bad tiles are the tax tiles. Nobody likes paying taxes, but we have to. You lose money when you land on them. And the prison tiles, which you have to get a row, or you have to roll doubles to get out, otherwise you pay bail. The neutral tiles are tiles like prison, just visiting. When you land on them, you don't lose anything other than your dice that you used to roll. And the good tiles are tiles like the rent tiles, where people pay you rent, that they are on your board, and also the railroad track tiles. Now, the railroad track itself has 2 minigames. The 2 minigames are Bank Heist and Shutdown. In Bank Heist, you rob people's banks, and you get 3 tiers of money that you can receive from them. And in Shutdown, you shut down people's landmarks. And the last tip that I want to give you, or the last thing that I want to talk about, are the stickers. You collect stickers from packs and you aim to complete albums for rewards. You can check that in the albums section. So that's the whole premise of Monopoly Go. That's how you play it. If you want tips and tricks, I have a specific video on that. Check my channel. I might link it below in the comments as well. So thank you for watching. Hope this was helpful for beginners, and I'll see you next time.